Hello, welcome everyone. Today's video, I'm going to show here about help you through that. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about for this video, you can actually have everything that is really related on the way where we actually need to start to know absolutely how you can start to subtract shapes. So you can actually start to subtract shape is about to understand in this situation that is still to be really satisfied with the moment that we can actually see over here on this moment. So first of all, I will start to go for going on through the drafts that I have, or maybe something that I use that's 2 hours ago. So maybe we can over here, and then I started to go for going on with the here and the circle. Okay, now I would like to start subtract the circle from the rectangle, as you can see, which is really in form of that color. Okay, now what you're gonna do is about to go here, subtract, or alt shift S. So if I just click it on the object and subtract it, you can see that I have just to subtract it. So maybe if you go for another way or for the rectangle, as you can see, and then I would like to subtract, this is gonna be really helping you a lot to know how you subtract on it. This could name it's gonna be really kind of subtract, and that's all about to help you guys through this video. Here also you can see the subtract option is ready on that. So that is all about to understand how you do it.